If you are looking for a great camera, you're absolutely going to love this. This is super easy to install. You literally just take your light bulb out and plug this light bulb in right over here. Makes it super easy. And then you just get the app. You're gonna come out here. And then when that light is blinking, it will walk you through exactly how to connect it. This thing is absolutely amazing. And then you could see everything that goes on in the app. So you could make sure everything is perfect going on outside if you want to watch. I'm gonna show you all the different features right now. All right, so here's the box that it's going to come in. It has so many features and benefits. I want to run through them with you. So it's going to fit most E26 sockets. You have a light here that's 800 lumens, and it also has that telescoping design, which is absolutely awesome. You could get an app for this. That's what we have. And then over here, the main benefits. So you get the 2x resolution. You have color night vision. The nighttime is absolutely amazing. You could see it's so clear. You got a 160-degree wide angle. You got 800 lumens we already talked about. We have, it fits the standard E26 socket, 24/7 recording. You could do timers, schedules, automation, two-way audio. And then if you want to get an app with this, you can get some other benefits as well. We've had this for about a week now, and I absolutely love this thing. I was all worried about wiring and all this other stuff. You literally just screw this into your socket, take your phone out there, let it connect, and you are literally good to go within, I don't know, call it 5 minutes. So if you're looking for a great camera for outside to make sure everything's going well out there, that you could see wherever you are on your phone, definitely check this out.